What's up, gang? A day in the life of Corey back again with another product review. Today's review will be brought to you by Maono. After opening this package, I noticed the build quality of this tripod was really good. One of the issues I always had in the past with a tripod at this price point, they always seem to collapse. The leg locks don't work that well. The only thing I see that this tripod doesn't have that it could probably use is a leveler. But that's not a big deal because I have a ton of those laying around anyway. This is the adjustable phone holder. Now we're getting into the mic itself. So this mic can be used on a smartphone, camcorder, PC, or DSLR camera. I'm currently using it now on my MacBook. It can be used for video shooting, presentations, interviews, and selfies. This is a really nice presentation. So what's included? So you have your usual manual and quick start guide. Really nice carry bag with the logo on it. And that is the usual adapter that comes with it. Don't get me lying, guys, I don't know that size because I don't really have anything that would use that size, but it does actually come with it. That's the standard size that we normally use. So that's actually the mic itself. Nice logo. And you have a few additional things here. You have the lapel clip and the extra battery and also the windsock. So it comes with one battery already installed. So you do get a total of 2 batteries.
This is audio of the iPhone 7. This is audio of an iPhone 7 with the onboard mic. This is audio from an iPhone 7 with the onboard mic.
This is audio of the Maono AU-100. This is audio of the Maono AU-100. This is being recorded on an old iPhone 7. This is being recorded on an old iPhone 7. This is audio from the Maono AU-100 connected to a Sony ZV-1. This is connected to the Sony ZV-1 vlogging camera. Just doing some testing just to see how well it works.
All right, guys, let's get into the tripod. It's really sturdy. One of the problems I always have out of tripods in this price range is the legs always tend to be really loose. When you buy them brand new, they always tend to be really loose. But these are like really tight. Wherever I snap them in, they actually lock. And they do really well. I mean, they're like really strong in comparison to a lot of ones I've used in the past. All the legs are real strong. So at this price, just to be honest, just the tripod alone, you're getting your money worth out of it.
All right, guys, so I'm outside now, and I want to let you guys see what the range was or the distance of the actual cable that comes with this mic. I'm using my Sony ZV-1. We're gonna zoom in. I also want to let you guys know it'll be a discount code in the description box below. The code is actually my name. It's all caps, Corey, C-O-R-E-Y, C-O-R-E-Y. So just for a recap of what's included, you have the carry bag, phone clip holder, adapter, an extra battery, an extra lapel clip, and an extra windsock, and then the mic itself, of course. And just remember, if you guys are using an iPhone, you'll need that additional adapter that comes with the iPhone. And then, of course, that's the box. Really nice presentation.
I have to say, for the price of this mic and this tripod, you really can't beat it. I mean, it performs really well. If you guys are interested in it, click the link below in the description. And if you have any questions, feel free to post it in the comments below, and I'll get back to you and answer it as fast as I can. Also want to thank Lynn and the guys over at Maono for sponsoring this video and also giving me a chance to review this mic. I want to thank you. Yeah, you. The guys that have been watching my videos and commenting, and you guys are just, you know, you're the reason why I do what I do. I really appreciate it, guys. Till next time, this is A Day in the Life for Corey.